Good afternoon, sir. This is our presentation about working in the enterprise. And this is the objectives overview of this topic.
The technology industry. So this establishes the fundamental relationship between modern jobs and technology, and it emphasizes that nearly every job requires interaction with technology to accomplish the three key functions: to complete projects, exchange information with coworkers, and meet the customer's needs. So organizations are specifically looking for employees as new technologies emerge who possess technical skills, show a desire to learn as technologies evolve, and demonstrate comfort using various types of technology. So, technical adaptability has become an essential employability skills across industries, not just in tech-specific roles. So this slide illustrates the diverse career paths available in the technology sector. So the thought bubble shows numerous specialist roles including system analyst, web developer, cloud architect, network security administrator, computer support specialist, mobile application developer, technical project manager, quality assurance examiner, database administrator, and many more. So the technology field offers diverse career opportunities requiring different skills, sets, and specializations, demonstrating the breadth of the industry. So let's proceed with the information systems in the enterprise. So an information system is a set of hardware, software, data, people, and procedures that work together to produce information. So the purpose of this system is to produce a valuable information and for sound decision making. So information systems are multifaceted entities that requires a components working together to be effective, not just in technology alone. So we can see here the 7 critical characteristics that make information valuable in an enterprise context. Accurate information must be correct and error-free. Verifiable information should be confirmable through evidence. Timely information must be available when needed for decision making. Organized information should be structured in a usable format. Accessible information must be obtainable by authorized users. Useful information should serve practical purposes, and cost-effective. The value derived must exceed the cost acquisition. So not all information has require value. So these 7 qualities determine whether information contribute meaningfully to business decision making. So a typical enterprise consists a wide variety of departments, centers, and divisions collectively known as functional units. So six primary functional units are highlighted: the human resources or the HR, engineering or product development, manufacturing or the marketing, and the sales. So customer service information systems must serve and connect these diverse functional areas, each with distinct information needs and contributions to the organization's overall mission. Enterprise Resource Planning or the ERP integrates with MRP2 with the information flows across an organization to manage and coordinate the ongoing activities of the enterprise. So ERP system connects with multiple departments: the product planning, manufacturing and distribution, accounting and finance, sales, human resources, and customer support. So this comprehensive approach enables better decision making, improves operational efficiency, and provides management with visibility across the entire enterprise. So this integration creates a unified system that eliminates data silos and enables real-time information sharing. So enterprise resource planning represents the backbone of modern business operations. So by integrating MRP2 with a with cross-organizational information flow, ERP systems create a single source of truth for business data. So this integration allows different departments to access the same information in real time, improving coordination and reducing redundancies. So this slides visualizes how information flows throughout an enterprise. So the laptop in the center represents the core information system that processes and distributes data. So the arrows indicates that information doesn't just move in one direction. It is a continuous exchange between the central system and various operational areas. So this dynamic flow enables a real-time updates and decision making. For example, when an order is placed, the system can immediately update inventory, trigger manufacturing requests, adjust financial projections, and schedule delivery. So, this interconnected nature of enterprise information systems means that actions in one area have immediate visibility and impact throughout the organization, creating a more responsive and efficient business environment. So this slide compares two critical information systems that handles an organization's documents and contents, the Document Management System or DMS and the Content Management System or the CMS. So Document Management System or DMS allows for storage and management of a company's documents and supports access, control, security, version tracking, and search, while Content Management System or the CMS enables and manages the publishing, modification, organization, and access of various forms of documents and other files. So this provides security controls and content added through a graphical user's interface or web page. So the CMS is particularly valuable for maintaining consistent content across multiple channels and ensuring appropriate access based on user roles, while a DMS focuses on an internal document control, and CMS often supports both internal and external facing content. A transaction processing system or the TPS is an information system that captures and processes data from day-to-day businesses activities, and online transaction processing or the OLTP. So the diagram illustrates two key processing methods: batch processing groups similar transactions together for processing at the scheduled times, which is efficient for high volume routine transactions that don't require immediate processing, like the payroll or the billing. And online transaction processing or the OLTP, on the other hand, provides immediate processing of transactions as they occur, essential for operations requiring real-time data like inventory updates or order processing. So the system shown demonstrates a reservation process flow with timestamps showing how transactions move through various stages of processing. So the immediacy of OLTP systems ensures that business data is always current, which is crucial for customer-facing operations and time-sensitive business decisions. So, transaction processing systems from the bedrock of enterprise data, as this operational data can later be analyzed for business intelligence. A management information system or the MIS is an information system that generates accurate, which means free from errors and reliable for decision making, timely, which means available when needed and not after decisions must be made, and organized informations. It is structured in a way that's meaningful and accessible. So the managers and the other users can make decisions, solve problems, supervise activities, and track progress. Unlike transaction processing systems that focus on data capture, the MIS focus on converting that data into useful formats and delivering it into those who need it. So as we can see, there are three tables: the detailed flight report that shows comprehensive passenger informations including their names, gender, birth date, seat number, assignments, and Premier Club status for flight number 328.2. So the next is the summary flight report. It provides an overview of flights on March 30, showing flight numbers, origins or destinations, total passengers, and the Premier Club members. Then the exemption flight report, it highlights specific flights requiring attention on March 30, organized by class and including member goals. So this exemplifies how enterprise information system organize and present data at different levels of detail for various operational needs and decision-making purposes. So this explains how decision support systems function within an enterprise environment. A decision system or decision support system or the DSS helps users analyze information and make decisions. Online analytical processing or the OLAP utilizes online analytical processing to enable complex data analysis. The example shows a dashboard with graphs, charts, and status indicators that enable quick assessment of performance metrics. So decision support system transforms raw data into actionable insights through visualization tools and analytical processing, allowing managers to identify trends and make data-driven decisions. An expert system is an information system that captures and stores the knowledge of human experts and then imitates human reasoning and decision making. So the example shows a restaurant advisor expert system that likely provides recommendations based on the expert knowledge. So expert system enables organizations to preserve specialized expertise and make it available throughout the enterprise, creating institutional knowledge that can be consistently applied even when human experts are unavailable.
Is technology careers. Business and government organizations of all sizes use a variety of computers, mobile devices, and other technology. Larger organizations use computers and other technology to answer and route phone calls, process orders, update inventory, and manage accounts receivable, accounts payable, billing, and payroll activities. IT jobs usually are divided into the following areas. The technology equipment field consists of manufacturers and distributors of computers, mobile devices, and other hardware, such as magnetic and optical drives, monitors, printers, and communications and networking devices. Next is the software and apps field. It consists of companies that develop, manufacture, and support a wide range of software and apps for computers, the web, and mobile devices. The technology service and repair fields provides preventive maintenance, component installation, and repair services to customers. Next, technology salespeople must possess a general understanding of technology and a specific knowledge of the product they are selling. In schools, colleges, universities, and private companies, all need qualified educators to provide technology-related education and training. Next is corporate trainers teach employees how to use software and apps, design and develop systems, write programs, integrate and sync data from apps used on multiple devices, and perform other technology related activities. Help desk specialists answer hardware, software, and networking questions in person, over the phone, or electronically via email or a chat room. An IT consultant, typically hired based on expertise, provides technology services to his or her clients. We have a different job description in system development jobs. The first one is cloud architect. It identifies business requirements, strategies, company's goals, or needs. Next is database designer. Specifies the structure, interface, and requirements of a large-scale database. It determines security and permission for users. Program and app developer specifies design, implements, tests, and documents programs and apps in a variety of fields, including robotics, operating systems, animation, and application. Next is system analyst. Works closely with users to analyze their requirements, designs, and develops new information system and incorporates new technologies. Systems programmer installs and maintains operating system software and provides technical support to the programming staff. Next, web designer designs the layout, navigation, and overall appearance of a website with a focus on user experience, specifies a website's appearance using HTML5, JavaScript, CSS, media, and other web designs technologies. Lastly, web developer. Analysis develops and supports the functionality of a website, including applications that often interact with databases or other online resources. Next, we also have a different jobs description in technology operations. First is computer technicians. It installs, maintains, and repairs hardware and servers, installs, upgrades, and configures software, troubleshoots hardware problems. Next is help desk specialist or help desk technician. It answers technology-related questions in person, on the phone, or via email or online chat room. Next, network administration or engineer. It installs, configured, maintains LANs, WANs, wireless network, Intranets, Internet System and Network Software identifies and resolves connectivity issues. Next is Technical Project Manager. It guides designs, development, and maintenance tasks, serves as interface between programmers or developers and management. Next, we have also a different job description in web marketing and social media jobs. The first one is Customer Relationship Management Specialist. It integrates apps and data related to customer inquiries, purchases, support, requests, and behaviors in order to provide a complete application that manages a company's relationship with its customers. Next is Internet or Social Media Marketing Specialist. It directs and implements and organization use of Internet and social marketing, including Facebook pages, Twitter, feeds, blogs, and online advertisements. Search engine optimization experts. It writes and develops web content and website layouts so that they will appear at the beginning of search results when users search for content. Lastly, user experience designer. It plans and designs software and apps that consider a user's reaction to a program and its interface, including its efficiency, its effectiveness, and ease of use. Lastly is the data storage, retrieval, and analysis jobs. We have a different description. The first one is data scientist. Uses analytics and other big data tools to compile statistics on data that our organizations can use to plan product development and create strategies for marketing. Next is database analyst. Use data modeling techniques and tools to analyze and specify data usage. Next is database administrator. It creates and maintains the data dictionary, monitors database and performance. Next is data forensics examiner. It collects and analyzes evidence found on computers, networks, mobile devices, and database. Lastly is web analytics expert. It collects and measures internet data such as website traffic patterns and advertising and developments reports that recommend strategies to maximize an organization web presence. Next is information and system security jobs. We have computer security specialist or mobile security specialist. It is responsible for the security of data and information stored on computers and mobile devices within an organization. Next, network security administrator. Configure routers and firewalls, specific web protocols, and enterprise technologies. Next is security analyst. It implements security procedures and methods, looks for flaws in security of a company's devices and networks, works with trains employees at all levels, and assign permission and network settings. Next, security system project manager. It develops and maintains programs and tools designed to provide security to a network. We have also digital forensic analyst. It inspects electronic data to recover documents and files from data storage devices that may have been damaged or deleted, in order to use them as evidence in a crime investigation.
Here are the types of technology careers, which does app development and mobile technologies jobs. Desktop or mobile application programmer or developer. So they convert the system design into a appropriate application development language, such as Visual Basic Java and Objective-C and toolkits for various platforms. Next off is game designer or programmer. They design games and translate designs into a program or app using an appropriate application development language. Next, mobile strategist. So they integrate and expand the company's initiatives for mobile users. Next is mobile technology expert. So they develop and directs an organization's mobile strategy, including marketing and app development. Now let's move on to technology certification. So why do we need certifications? So a certification demonstrates your knowledge in a specific area to employers or potential employers. Obtaining a certification requires time and money. We have their application software certifications,
data analysis and database certifications, hardware certifications, networking certification, operating system certifications, program or developer certifications, security certifications, and other type of certification. So, upon job searching and career planning, many job opportunities may exist in your industry. So, it is important to narrow down the available jobs to ones for which you are qualified and in which you are interested. So, tools at your disposal include the career service department at your school, career planning websites, and online social networks. Whether you are seeking for a new job or currently are employed, you may find career planning websites useful. So the next slide is an example of a career website for your career planning and job searching.